My name is Brett Dickey. I'm the Vice President of Technical Services here at Empire. We're here at Empire Airlines in Hayden, Idaho. We've got basically two operations here. This is our headquarters for our airline operation, and then across the street we have Empire Aerospace, where we do our heavy maintenance on our aircraft. One thing they've kind of gone above and beyond with was they come to us with solutions to problems we sometimes haven't even encountered yet. So maybe they've dealt with it with one of their other customers or something like that, and they've been really good, and to me that's above and beyond.